Hello folks, welcome to Scout Lynch Pub. I am Scout Lynch. This is actually the second hotel room that I got. The reason I always get two or have together similar rooms, we come in and we check out the hotel room to make sure it's got enough space for me to operate my chair into. The second key factor is the Hoyer lift. The first thing we look for when we get the Hoyer lift is we look right underneath the bed to make sure that we can run the Hoyer lift right underneath the bed there. The second thing we look for at the hotel, we want to make sure I can get the Hoyer lift around. Make sure we can get into the bathroom, which is right beside the camera now. This one obviously works out fine. The very first room we got was not what they called a handicap accessible. Therefore, the doorway was not as wide as what it needs to be to get the Hoyer lift in there. Everything was pushed in there just a little bit tight. The same thing we like to try to do whenever we get a hotel room, like it says the Hoyer lift. After that counts, we like to get joining rooms. This room can't join onto another room right next to us. However, the room right next to us was booked. So the next best thing for the person I'm traveling with is not staying in the same room. We actually got them a room right across the hallway. That has to be a mom that I'm traveling with. So in other words, we're not sharing the room. We have her bunked in the room right next to us across the hallway. This hotel that we're actually in is the Holiday Inn Express. They are very helpful whenever it comes to finding a room that works out well for me. They actually moved us. Hopefully, if I'm lucky tomorrow, I'll be able to film another video. They're champions, but I can't promise you that. If any of this video has helped at all, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if there are any questions, please leave those in the comments, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. I've got one other trip planned for about 2 weeks from now. I'll be going on an airplane trip to Oklahoma City, and I have a few other things there that I will show you as well about going through the airport and all that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thumbs up if possible. Other than that, thank you all for watching.